Welcome to my channel. Here is the problem is that, and this is the chapter about the theory of equation, and question is that if alpha with the non-real roots of x to the power 7 equal to 1, then find the equation whose roots are alpha plus alpha to the power 6, comma alpha square plus alpha to the power 5, comma alpha to the power 3 plus alpha to the power 4. Okay, and since this is the non-real root, so it has a complex roots. Okay, and also this is a prime number. Solution. Okay, here 7 is an prime number, and by condition is that and it has a complex roots and the complex complex roots. So therefore complex roots of the equation x to the power 7 minus x to the power 7 equal to 1, and let alpha be the roots. Here alpha be the root, so alpha to the power 7 equal to 1, and the roots are, roots are 1 comma alpha square comma alpha cube comma alpha to the power 4 comma alpha to the power 5 comma alpha to the power 6. So it has 7 solution. As see, this is there 7. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, now from the above cases, let m is equal to alpha plus alpha to the power 6, n is equal to alpha square plus alpha to the power 5, m n p, and p is equal to alpha cube plus alpha to the power 4. Now adding these 3, then we get here m plus n plus p, alpha plus alpha to the power 6 plus alpha square plus alpha to the power 5 plus alpha cube plus alpha. See again, rewrite here alpha square and alpha cube, alpha to the power 4, alpha to the power 5, and alpha to the power 6. Okay, so from here actually the sum of this six 7 roots is equal to actually 0. Actually 1 plus alpha square plus alpha cube plus alpha to the power 4 plus alpha to the power 5 plus alpha to the power 6 equal to 0 actually. From that, if we factorize this, then we get here alpha minus 1, and here is the equation be here alpha 1 plus alpha square dot and alpha to the power 6 equal to 0. Either this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. So this is equal to 0. So from that we can write here this is a minus 1. Okay, minus 1, since this can't be accepted as given that the alpha with the complex roots, so this part be 0, so this part be 0. Okay, from that we can write this is equal to minus 1. This is the case number 1. And now we have to find the sum and the product, pair of the product, that is m into n, that is mp, that is np. Okay, alpha plus alpha to the power 6 into n means alpha square alpha to the power 5, m means alpha plus alpha to the power 6, p means alpha cube alpha to the power 4, and np. N means alpha square alpha to the power 5. This is n. P means here alpha cube plus alpha to the power 4, and then simplified. This is alpha cube, this is alpha to the power 6, this is alpha to the power 8, this is alpha to the power 11, this is alpha to the power 4, this is alpha to the power 5, alpha to the power 9, alpha to the power 10, alpha to the power 5, alpha to the power 4, 4 of 6, alpha to the power 8, and alpha to the power 9. Since alpha to the power 7 equal to 1, so in place of more than degree of 7 or more than 7, it can be simplified like that. Alpha to the power 6, we can write here alpha to the power 7 into alpha to the power 7 into alpha to the power 4, this is alpha to the power 4, alpha to the power 5, alpha to the power 7 into alpha square, alpha to the power 7 into alpha cube, alpha to the power 5, alpha to the power 6, alpha to the power 7 into alpha to the power 7 into alpha square. So in place of alpha to the power 7, we can put here 1. So alpha cube, alpha to the power 6, this is here alpha, this is alpha to the power 4, again alpha to the power 4, again alpha to the power 5, alpha to the power square, this is here alpha cube, alpha to the power 5, alpha to the power 6, and this is here alpha and alpha to the power 2. C, alpha and this is alpha, so we take a common alpha 2, so then alpha square, this is square and this is square, okay, alpha cube, this is a cube, okay, alpha cube, alpha to the power 4, this is your 4, this is your 4, okay, alpha to the power 5, this is your 5 and this is your 5, alpha to the power 6, 6, oh I am wrongly written, this is your 6, sorry, okay, and the value of this from A, this is minus 1, this is a minus 2, okay. Now find M and P. Alpha plus alpha to the power 6 into alpha square plus alpha to the power 5 into alpha cube plus alpha to the power 4. Now multiply these two and simplify. Alpha cube alpha to the power 8 and alpha cube alpha to the power 6, alpha to the power 8 and alpha to the power 11, alpha cube alpha to the power 4. From this alpha cube alpha to the power 6, okay, but here alpha to the power 7 is 1, so you can write here alpha, same as alpha to the power 7 plus 4 is 11, so alpha to the power 4, okay, then here alpha cube plus alpha to the power 4. This is alpha 7, 4, their addition is 11, okay, now right, and again rearrange here by multiplying to the alpha to the power cube with the this part, then alpha to the power 6, alpha to the power 4 or 3, 7, 6, 9, okay, 10, alpha to the power 4, alpha to the power 5, alpha to the power 7, alpha to the power 8, alpha to the power 6, alpha to the power 7 is 1, alpha to the power 9, this is square, 7 plus 2, alpha to the power 10, this is alpha cube, this is here alpha to the power 4, this is here alpha to the power 5, and this is 7, here is 1, and alpha to the power 8 means alpha. So 1 1 2, this is here 2, and now see alpha, this is alpha, this is here alpha square, this is here alpha cube, alpha to the power 4, alpha to the power 5, and alpha to the power 6. Okay, okay, and now from here, this is from A, this is equal to -1, and 2 minus 1, this is here is 1. Okay, therefore the required equation is x cube and sum of the three root there, see, that is m plus n plus p into x, mn mp np into x. Okay, after that minus plus minus mnp equal to 0, and that is x square. The value of sum of these R3s we got here -1 into x, and this is here -2. Okay, and this is here 1 equal to 0, and that is x square plus x, this is x square, and this is your x cube. Okay, x cube, x square, x cube, this is x square minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. This is your answer. X cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Very interesting problem. See carefully. Okay, bye everybody.